call me. Baby, come back. Come back. Come here. Come back. Oh my God, Satan's on my ass. Ew. Satan's giant eyeball. My eyeballs. Coco's eyeballs. What do you want? You're just so creepy. You're creepy and you bite people. Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Why? Why would you do that? That's called wind and thunder. I have a feeling you're going to be a pussy dog when it comes to these storms. She's camera shy. It's storming outside. Just thought I would say that all like weird. Yeah, it's monsoon season here. And for those of you that don't live in the hellhole known as Arizona, she just burped in my face. That's when we get really, really bad rain storms, but they're like dry storms with rain, which rain's wet, so it can't be dry. But like, if you live here, you know what I mean. It's like really hot, but raining, and it's disgusting. Stop. It's just disgusting. And they happen during the summertime when it's hotter than Satan's ball sack already. Like, come on. So yeah, you just saw my dogs and me. And it's really weird because I get a pet peeve when people talk to dogs and babies like they're babies. Like, oh, you cute little, oh, you're goo-goo gaga, oh, doo-doo. Like that. I do it all the time though, but whatever. But yeah. I'm going to the piercing place today. I'm not getting anything done because I'm broke. But my friend is, and it should be exciting because I have nothing else to do. But yeah, so, peace out, Girl Scout. I don't know what the symbol for Girl Scout is. I used to be a Girl Scout. I know. Now look at me. So yeah, enjoy this random video. It's like my second one today, but I'm really bored and I'm trying to build up my channel, so get off my jock. Okay? Bye.